Okay, I'm going to be solving a particular question. It's in the past question as well, so you can be the question will be displayed for you to get it proper. So they said consider your locations where out of 5,000 people residing. So the total population there is 5,000. Total population is equals to 5,000. And the next question, the next statement, they say 1,200 are above 30. So above 30, greater than 30 is equals to 1,200. So the next question there, they said above 30 years. The next question there, they say and 3,000 are female. They say female, so you can be able to tell female is 3,000. So if female is 3,000 from this population, what will be the next gender? Male. Male will be equals to 2,000. So the next statement they told us, they say out of 1,200 who are above 30, they say 200 are female. I say always listen to the words last statement. They said out of 1,200 who are above 30, 200 are female. 200 are female. So this will be, that statement means the probability of female all over above 30 is equals to what? They said out of, okay, they said 200. So that's 200 over 1,200. You can see the way I interpreted this question. Listen to the last statement. So the next stuff we have there, they say suppose that a person is chosen and you are told that this person is female. They say what is the probability that she is above 30? I say listen to what? The last statement. They say what's the probability that she is above 30? So what they ask you to find is probability of above 30 over female. Let me read the sentence so that you understand. This is what they say you should find. Let me read the sentence so that you understand. They say what is the probability? Okay, let me start from here. They say suppose that a person is chosen. A person is chosen and you are told that she is a female. And then I say what is the probability that she is above 30? That's what you will listen to. The last sentence, above 30 and female. This is what they say you should find. Simple as that. This is the question we are looking for, and we know the terms that we are giving, so we know how to proceed. Now you just go straight to base equation and you get your answer. We'll be very fast on that. Okay? So let me write some other stuffs at this point that we may be needing. So we know that we are working with two different scenarios. We are working with male, female. We are working with above 30, below 30. So they have already restricted us to just female. Do you get? They have restricted us to just female. And now we can be able to tell what is the probability of male occurring. That will give us what? P male. P male should be equals to male all over the total numbers. 2,000 all over 5,000, right? So P female is equals to 3,000 over 5,000, right? 1 point, right? Thank you. So they have already restricted us to male, female, above 30, below 30. But now the question is making emphasis on female. So let's close our eye to the male. Do you get? Close your eye to the male and focus on female. So we want to now get, you have already noted this down. I want to clean and I will show you exactly where we are going to. Okay? So note, they gave us above 30 that are above 30 that is female. This is what we are looking for. And they gave us female that is above 30 to be equals to 200 over 1,200. Do you get? So since we are focusing on female, so now let's get those that are below 30. We want to get those that are below 30 that are not female. Do you get? So we already know that 1,200 are people who are above 30, right? Is that clear? 1,200 are people who are above 30. Inside this 1,200, there is male, there is also female. And now we have already known that the probability of female is equals to 3,000 over 5,000, right? So all these are what? All these are the given. All these ones you are seeing here, they are the given. So we now want to check, since you know the question they asked you to find, then you can be able to get your base equation. And this is equals to greater than 30 all over female is equals to, you do the opposite of this. And this will give you P female all over greater than 30. You know I told you the one at the bottom will suffice. So P greater than 30, right? Over. So this will now be P, you repeat the same thing. Female greater than 30 dot P greater than 30 plus, this will give us the next one, P female less than 30 dot P less than 30. Do you get? So this is what we're looking for. So all these other ones are given in the question. But this particular one and this, they are not given directly. So we have to induce them. So for those who are lesser than 20, the probability of people lesser than 30, we know the one greater than 30 from the question. They told us that the people greater than 30 is 1,200. And probability of people lesser than 20, lesser than 30 will be equals to the total population subtracted from the one above, which is 5,000 minus 1,200 all over the total population itself, 5,000, which is 3,800 over 5,000. And this automatically will section for 19 over 25. So now the question, the other one, probability of those that are above 30 that are female. Those below 30, I'm sorry, those below 30 that are female. This will profile for the ones that are female in total is equals to what? 3,000. And the one that are above 30 in the 3,000 is 200. So the one below 30 in the 3,000 is 2,800. That will be 2,800 all over the number of those that are below 30, which is 3,800 all over 3,800. So cancel, 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 cancel. This will give us 14 all over 19. So going forward, once you impute all these parameters back into this equation, it will result to, I think this is 1 all over 6 multiplied by P above 30, and this is 6 all over 25. 6 over 25 all over 1 over 6 times 6 over 25 plus 14 over 19 times 19 over 25. Yeah, after solving everything, the answer that you have will be equals to 1 over 15. That's your probability of people that are female who are above 30. So this is your final answer. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. So thank you very much. Hope with this you can be able to understand the concept of Bayes' theorem. So should in case any question arise, you can always reach out to me for further explanation. Thank you very much.